Today, where are you going, Dennis? Where are you going today?
Going to MJF.
What are you going to do?
Computer class.
Huh?
Cookery.
Cookery.
What are you going to make today?
What are you going to make?
Vadai.
Vade. Paripu vade, ulundu vade.
Paripu vade.
Paripu vadai.
Paripu vade.
Hi everyone, welcome back to channel Avenger. I'm Days Regino. In today's video, I'm heading to MJF Motor to learn how to make vadai with my amazing teacher Nilu teacher. I started getting ready around 3 o'clock and went to school with my mom in an auto rickshaw. It was such a fun ride looking out at the street, but I have to admit I'm a little scared of barking dogs. That's why I always cover my ears when I see one. Finally, I arrived at school MJF. I went straight to class and found my teacher. We began by chopping the vegetables. They gave me lots of onions. My friends helped out by cutting my ingredients, chilies and kamapancha. Then Chef Auntie joined us to help mix everything. The main ingredients was ground dal, and I got to mix in all the vegetables we chopped, Chef Auntie, and some chili flakes and salt for flavor. Next, my teacher and Chef Auntie taught me how to shape the mixture into round vadai cutlets. After that, I fried them, and guess what? They looked so delicious. Before eating, I made sure to clean my counter because I love and clean workspace. We all sat down together to eat, and my friend helped serve everyone. We even took some vadai to a madam, which was such a nice gesture. It was so much fun.
Very good. Tasty.
Very tasty.
Later in the day, my mom took me to Quezon for a walk. We had a lovely time, and of course, we took some photos there to remember the day. Then we headed back home, and that's it for today's adventure. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.